A couple tips for putting together your Lil Katie craft kit. After you're finished painting it, which you are also able to paint your little ears, you're gonna wanna glue it together. So for gluing, to glue your head and body together, you're gonna wanna either put a ring of tacky glue on the body, or you can put a ring of tacky glue on the bottom of the head, and you're just gonna stick them together, making sure your head is as centered as you'd like it. And then that is going to take about 10 minutes for your tacky glue to set up. You're also gonna wanna glue on your little wood biscuit base. By doing that, you're just gonna look at the bottom of the body, put a ring of tacky glue, and stick that right on. One of the other things you're gonna have to glue on are your little ears. So for these can be a little bit tricky. Really make sure that your paint is dry before you glue them on. But you're actually going to use the bottom curve of your ear, and you're gonna put tacky glue at the bottom of the curve, and then you're just going to set them on top.